In this video, I'll share with you how to make your face mask using socks. Only socks, no sewing, in 1 minute. Have you been chased by the cops because you don't have a mask, or you don't have the right size for your kid, or just tired of buying or wondering where to buy your own face mask? Let me show you how to make your very own. Keep watching. Hello, I am Juliet Migwi, and on this channel I share with you tips and ideas on how to make your very own easy and affordable home decor. We reuse, makeover, upcycle, revamp old pieces, household items, and even second-hand pieces you may have picked from garage sales or Gikomba or mtumba near you. But today I'm sharing with you about making face masks because we're in a season, a pandemic, and it's our responsibility to be fast, to take care of ourselves, to take care of our loved ones and the people around us. Yeah, there are many controversies out there, but as long as life is being lost, we have a responsibility, and that's why I'm going to show you an easy way, because I'm sure you have even one sock in your wardrobe, and if you don't know what to do for kids, I'm here to show you. So let me show you what we need. We will need socks, and in my case I will use one piece. We will need chalk or a tailor's chalk. We'll need a thread, and I'll tell you why. And we'll use a ruler, a marker in case you end up using thread, and of course a pair of scissors. Open up your sock like this, and where the heel is, fold into two and measure 5 centimeters. And why 5 centimeters? It's because, as you will see, socks are they stretch very easily, at least these elastic ones. The cotton ones may not as well. And when you do that, you can eyeball it, but because I'm showing you, I'm going to draw that out. We had the thread because sometimes the 5 centimeters, remember when we folded it into two, let me show you. When we folded the sock into two, we measured 5 centimeters. Sometimes that 5 centimeter might be too short for the length of your face. And that's why you can either use a tape measure. If you don't have a tape measure, use a thread. Hold it from your nose to your ear. Hold it from your nose to your ear, and this will be the length from where you will cut from. And then, remember, then we're just going to cut on that line. Then we're going to cut on that line. On the side of the heel, come and cut inside about 2 centimeters. You don't need too much because it will stretch. The tip for today, remember you will reuse these masks later as we do our own home DIYs, as we do sanding, spray painting. So even though the pandemic goes, and I pray it does soon, we will reuse this again. And so question for you today, how has the pandemic affected you? Please write in the comments below. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification button so that you can get the next video notification. And as you can see on the side opposite the heel, cut through, open it up. It was like this. We've nipped 2 centimeters on this side, open it up and nip on the side opposite the heel. Cut through it. And there you have it. An affordable mask. You can make the size for kids, for those who are wondering what to do. You can reuse, you can wash, and they are cheap. The only cost is if you have to buy socks. So let me show you how to wear it, and I pray that you keep safe. This is the mask that we've made. So I'll put it in on this side, and on this side the places we cut, and you can either put it down or fold it in. And remember another tip for durability, you can hem this. For durability, you can hem this edges so that when you wash it, it lasts longer. And if you have even one sock, you can get 2. I have made this from the other piece that had remained. Although the size is small, this would be good for a kid, especially if you're in a family. And you can put it over. It has the hemmed part. Put it over. And from the toe area, we have one that's a good size for a child. So you don't have to worry about where to get one for your child. And I hope this has added value to you. In a minute, I know I talked more than that 1 minute, but in a minute, you can have your sock ready. So please press the subscription button and the notification button so that you can know about my next video. So keep blessed, barakatele, and stay safe. See you on the next video.